Are you looking for the best electric kettles? In this video we will look at some of the best electric kettles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 110 volts / 220 volts electric kettle. With to the degree temperature control, you can brew your favorite coffee like a pro. By turning the dial to select the temp from the wide range between 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 212 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the right kettle for you to coax out the typical aroma, such as floral and citrus, from different types of beans. Even different types of tea require different temperatures. After reaching your desired temperature, the kettle will beeps, and then hold it for 8 hours. You can set the hold time from 1 hour to 24 hours. When you put the kettle back into the base within 30 minutes, the previous set will be maintained to avoid repeated settings. The electric kettle has a long gooseneck spout to ensure precise pouring and steady water flow. A balanced body build and heat-resistant handle encourage a more comfortable and longer time of pour. There is no screw in the kettle housing that makes no rust issues even after years' use. The inner kettle is made with 304 food-grade stainless steel. Comparing with other variable temp kettles, there is no silicone or plastic aside the temp sensor. Featured NTC temp sensor, the kettle will automatically shut off once the water reaches your desired temperature. A large and sleek LED display better than LCD, will help prompt temperature and time checking. The LED display will indicate the real temp, set time to help you track the process of boiling process. Number 2. 1.0 liters electric kettle. 1.0 liters electric kettle retro gooseneck hand brewed coffee pot slender mouth teapot stainless steel liner kettle with thermometer. Number 3. 110 volts 220 volts gooseneck electric kettle. 110 volts 220 volts gooseneck electric kettle 900 milliliters smart temperature control pot 1200 watts rapid heating kettle 304 stainless steel liner pot. Number 4. 1 liter home electric kettle. 1 liter home electric kettle 45 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius adjustment thermostat smart kettle insulation kettle coffee pot automatic power off 220 volts. Number 5. 1 liter black TT maker glass electric kettle. 1 liter black TT maker glass electric kettle pure steamed tea automatic thermal insulation tea kettle 4-gear temperature adjust.